Hi guys! Welcome to Leo's Fitness channel, and today we will have our very quick and easy 9-minute cardio workout. Ready na ba kayong lahat for this kind of workout? This will be very quick and easy, but it's very effective for your arms and your legs. Ready? But before that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Here. So today we will have a good combination of workout for your upper body and your lower body. So how is it gonna be? So we'll be working out your legs, and also we will be working out your chest and your arms. So there will be like 9 workout routines that we will be doing for one set today. That is good for like 9 minutes, including breaks already. This one good cardio workout for your legs and also for your arms, and at the same time for your chest. You will have to do each workout routines for 30 seconds and then 20 seconds break, and then another 30 seconds to do the routine, and so on. Yes, I call this workout a 9-minute cardio workout for your lower body and for your upper body, but still, nasa inyo pa rin if you wanted to do more repetitions of this or more number of sets. But I really suggest if you can do this 9-minute cardio workout for like 2 to 3 sets, that's way better. But for starters, one set of my 9-minute cardio workout is already good. Okay? And again, don't forget to keep yourself properly hydrated and well ventilated. Okay, I think you're ready. Let's start this 9-minute cardio workout. And that's it. So it's really easy. Mabilis lang naman talaga tong 9-minute cardio workout natin for today. And again, as I mentioned kanina, it's all up to you if you wanted to do more number of repetitions or more number of sets. That still depends on you. But for beginners, 9 minutes of this cardio workout is already okay. But if you feel like nabitin kayo for this 9 minutes, you can do another set of this 9 minutes of this 9-minute cardio workout, or 2 more sets if you want. Basta as long as you know you can do pa. No? Listen to your body. That's very important. And we all wanted to avoid injury. That's why we wanted to be safe. And it's important to listen to your body. Don't forget to keep yourself hydrated before, during, and after your workout. I will see you next week. Expect for more videos, for more workout videos. And I hope you keep watching my channel. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. And again, remember that you are always valued and appreciated. Bye-bye.